Want to know how to change your currency in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. Just simply open up your web browser and type in agoda.com and it should open up your website right here. Now once that is done, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile. If you don't see your profile, you have to log in, so make sure to log in. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Now once that is done, you can just simply click on your profile right here. So here it is various languages, settings and much more, and you can just simply scroll down until you see settings. So right below your language you should be seeing your current dollar, that is USD right now. So you can just simply select it right here, and you can just simply change it accordingly. So that is from US dollar, Canadian dollar and much more, as you can just simply scroll all the way down and sort of for it as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.